Hello, this is the special readers, and today we are reading Dogman. And this is the third chapter. If you didn't see my back the scenes, chapter 1 or chapter 2, you can go back and see that and then come back here. Chapter 3, the talk. Ice cream, here we come. Hey, where do you think you're going? He's coming with us. Sorry, kid. Make him stay here. But why? Just make him stay here or no ice cream. Wait here for me, ADHD. 10 minutes later. Here you go, kid. Thank you. How's the ice cream? Good. I'm sorry I had to trick you with this news. You didn't trick me. All right, smarty pants. Go ahead and be mean. But you don't understand how I suffer. The cops are looking everywhere for me. They're gonna put me back in jail and throw me away the key. I've got nowhere to hide and nobody help me. I'm all alone. I'll help you, Papa. Do you promise? Yeah. Great. I'm gonna move in with you guys. And we can continue your evil training. But I don't want to be evil, Papa. Will you stop calling me Papa? I'm not your Papa. You're my clone. That means you and me are the same. I'm evil, so you have to be evil too. You don't have any choice in the matter. But I wanna be perfect like Dogman. Dogman isn't perfect. He's a goody milk toast gumdrop. He never breaks any laws. He never has any fun. I don't wanna break any laws either. But you just did break a law. I did? Yep. I'm an escaped convict, and you promised to help me. That's called highboying and fugitive. That's against the law. It is? Yep, it's a felony. And look at this sidewalk. You dripped ice cream all over it. That's littering. You're a monster. And now you're jaywalking. Boy, you really are evil. Maybe I should be taking lessons from you. Give yourself to the dark side. It is your destiny. My son. This is the end of chapter 3. If you want to go to chapter 4, I'm going to do it in 1 second.